Welcome back to another edition of our Midwest Garden Pros series. Today we're going to share a combination from our dry shade garden that highlights how incorporating various textures can create a beautiful and cohesive design. While dry shade is often considered a difficult planting site for success, this garden spot has been thriving since 2019 with minimal replacements or edits. Designed by Austin Eichscheid, this combination of 8 plants takes into consideration cultural requirements, seasonality, texture, and form. Blooming May through June, the panicles of tiny cream flowers of Aruncus misty lace provide delicate texture and color to the planting. While at 18 to 24 inches high and wide, it also provides a strong anchor point. Epimedium rubrum, or red barrenwort, is a good choice for shady gardens because of its shade tolerance and its ability to hold its own against competing trees and shrubs. New leaves emerge with a red tinge in spring, mature to this nice green color, and then turn reddish again in the fall. The rich maroon to wine red blossoms of Helleborus roam in red are showy and long-lasting, providing color and interest to the garden all year long. The delicate spray of bright blue forget-me-not flowers of Brunera macrophylla Jack Frost bring an early burst of color April through May. After blooming, the heart-shaped leaves, veined with mint green, are an eye-catching focal point. The large, dense leaves of Heuchera Autumn Bride provide a striking contrast to the delicate foliage found on many of the plants in this combination. Its Heuchera villosa heritage ensures good tolerance of heat and humidity. Adiantum pedatum, or northern maidenhair fern, has lacy foliage and dainty reddish-brown stems that are a good complement to the Heuchera Autumn Bride. A short, grass-like sedge, the slender leaves of Carex pennsylvanica are semi-evergreen, providing beautiful flowing texture now and ongoing interest throughout the year. Closing out this combination is Dicentra formosa luxuriant, or luxuriant bleeding heart. Pink heart-shaped flowers appear above the fern-like foliage in early summer and bloom sporadically until fall. For more ideas, visit our website to browse detailed plant lists from all of our display gardens, perfect for discovering new additions to your own gardens and designs. Happy planting!